Good morning. My name is Maulik Kumar Virani. Today I am going to present a video presentation on, on the assessment of leveraging IT for business advantages. The assessment name is Group Case Study Report and Video Presentation. Our group number is 42. Our topic is use of social media for collaboration, marketing management, human resources, productivity. We have chosen one company name Afterpay. I have contributed in the two section executive summary and introduction. In the executive summary, Afterpay revolutionized in-store payments with the buy now pay later its BNPL option, market research, strategic partnership and effective marketing. For that, Afterpay handled early problems like earning customers' trust, breaking into new market, figuring out complicated regulation, and making sure the business could stay in business by doing through market research, forming smart partnership, and running successful marketing campaigns. Targeted marketing and customer education helped people recognize and trust the brand, and the relation with Tech Corp gave technology base. When Afterpay's BNPL plan was put into action in met and often went beyond what was expected. This led to a huge rise in users, more transactions, and more sales for stores because of how successful the company was. Bought company named Square bought in its for $39 billion, which was a big step in its history. To keep and improve its growth, Afterpay should keep educating customers, working with regulators to find new way to do these things. Coming up with new technology, expanding its global marketing using sustainable business practices, protecting customer data, and being a good corporate citizen. For for this acquired by Square for $39 billion. Mm, and these smart moves will help Afterpay stay ahead of the competition, make sure it can stay in business for a long time, and do good things for society while managing the changing fitness scene. In the introduction, company background founded in by Nick Molnar and Anthony Eisen in 2040. Service offering interest free installment payments over 4 periods. Targeted audience. Then role of social media. Social media is an important thing for the marketing purpose. Many other businesses, one of the hardest things for Afterpay is making good use of social media across all of its functions. In marketing, social media is a must for getting to and interacting with specific groups. It's impossible to stress how important social media is in marketing because it lets people connect and give feedback in real time, building a strong brand community. Uh, Even though social media has its benefits, it also has some problems. For example, it can be hard to keep your brand style consistent, deal with bad comments, and keep your data safe. Afterpay needs to deal with these problems if it wants to get the most out of social media and stay ahead of the competition in the fintech world, which is changing quickly. This study looks at how Afterpay uses social media in many different ways. The goal is to help people learn more about the best ways to use social media in business today by showing us the good and bad things that can happen. Now, the next topic, uh, Hetal will discuss the next topic.
Hello, my name is Hetal Patel, and I'm introduct I'm Hello, my name is Hital Patel, and I'm explaining challenges of BNPL and discussion of the BNPL. So this one is the challenges of the BNPL. So before buy now pay later BNPL technology came along, after came along, Afterpay had a lot of problems that other financial technology companies do too. Some of the most important ones were building trust, getting a bigger share of the market, figuring out the rules and regulations, and making sure the business could keep going. In a market controlled by standard loan companies, one of the biggest problem was getting people to trust and recognize the brand. People were used to traditional credit card and lay by service, which made them wary of the new financial goods. It took a lot of work in a marketing and educating customer to make a brand that people could trust. Another important issue was getting a bigger share of the market. There were already a lot of known banks, new fintech companies in the market when Afterpay started. To compete with well-known and well-funded brands, companies had to come with the new strategies and spend a lot of money in the marketing. So Afterpay, because they were worried about the risk to weak customers. First one is the financial sustainability. Another big problem was making sure the business could stay open. Even though Afterpay grew quickly, it had a hard time making money since the business strategy relied on the dealer fees and didn't change customer interest. People who were stuck at home during the lockdown and the COVID went to shopping online, which led to a rise in the use of the BNPL service. Because of these sudden changes, Afterpay had to quickly expand its business, and people who were stuck at home during lockdowns went to shopping online, which led to a rise in the use of BNPL service. Because of this sudden change, Afterpay had to quickly expand its business and make sure its system could handle the extra demand. The second one is the securing investment. Getting investors was very important for Afterpay's growth and development. To run its business, grow its market share, and buy new technology, the company needed a lot of money. The $300 million investment by Tencent and other partnership and funding were very important for Afterpay to keep growing. The third one is the management and infrastructure inside the company. On the inside, Afterpay had to deal with the task of handling a growing team and expanding its infrastructure. Because of the fast growth, the company needed strong management, customer service, and technology system to make sure that service ran smoothly. This turned possible problems into chances for growth and new ideas. This study show how Afterpay had to deal with many different problems and how it came up with the smart solution that helped its success. The other topic is the discussion. Nick Molnar and Anthony Eisen, the owner of the Afterpay, made the choices to use buy now pay later BNPL technology by having a clear strategic goal, studying the market, and acting quickly. The idea of BNPL wasn't chance to bring this idea up to date with technology in order to adapt to changing customer habits, especially among younger people who were becoming less trusting of standard credit products. So Molnar used to run an online jewelry store, and so that customers often abandoned their shopping carts when they got to the checkout page because they couldn't find a way to pay that worked for them. That This led to the idea that a new payment model could fix this problem and lower the number of carts that abandoned, which would eventually lead to more sales for stores. Next, the founders did a lot of study on the market. This group of people liked payment options that were flexible and didn't cost extra. Consumer benefits from the flexibility and interest-free payments, while merchants saw increased sales and reduced card abandoned. The other one is the regulatory compliance and pilot testing. Before starting the services, Afterpay made sure that their business plan followed all financial rules. Launch and get into the market. Afterpay started its BNPL service in 2015 after getting through the early stage without any problems. The positive responses from this business, that business plan worked and paved the way for fast growth. Strategies for growth and adaptation. Afterpay kept coming up with the new ideas and changing its service based on what the market wanted and what people said. This meant taking its product to new places around the world and always making the user. Thank you. The next part is explaining by the Janki.
My name is Janki Chaudhary and I will be covering the My name is Janki Chaudhary and I will be covering the implementation and conclusion of this topic. In the implementation, putting Afterpay's buy now pay later answer into action was a planned and organized process with several steps and important people involved. Nick Molnar and Anthony Eason, the owners, were involved in every step of the process and made sure that their idea was turned into a product that worked and could be explained. This relationship was very important for building a strong platform that could handle a lot of deals quickly and safely. Now, market research and educating customers. In market research, marketing and technique, teaching people about the perks of using Afterpay was a big part of the operation. To reach its target audience of millennials and Gen Z, the company ran large-scale marketing efforts on a variety of platforms, such as social media. People were encouraged to try the services by these ads that talked about how flexible and easy the BNPL plan was to use, how it worked and what happened. The use of Afterpay's BNPL system met and in many cases went beyond what was expected. People quickly became fans of the service, which led to a lot more transactions and a lot more users. The fact that retailers responded big increases in sales and happy customers proves that the BNPL strategy works. Afterpay's answer was put into place successfully thanks to strong relationships, strong technology, and smart marketing efforts. Now, in the conclusion, Afterpay's journey from a startup to a Finch giant illustrates the power of innovative thinking, strategic implementation, and effective use of technology. By identifying a market need for flexible payment options, conducting through research and leveraging partnerships, Afterpay successfully introduced the buy now pay later model, which has transformed the retail payment landscape.
Myself Nilay Patel. Today my contribution in this assessment in recommendation to topic to further improve the situation and address ongoing challenges. After pay should consider the following recommendation. First, enhance consumer education and support. While Afterpay has made a stride in editing consumer, ongoing efforts are needed to ensure users fully understand the benefit and risk of a BNPL service. Expensive of a regulatory engagement. As the regulatory landscape evolves, Afterpay should proactive engage with regulators to shape policy that protect consumers while fostering innovation. Third, technology innovation. Continued investment in the technology is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. Afterpay should explore advancement in artificial intelligence and machine learning to enhance fraud detection, personalize user experience, and optimize transaction processing. For global market expansive, Afterpay success in exiting market provide a solid foundation for a further international expansion. Identify new market with similar consumer behaviors and regulatory environment can open new growth opportunity. 5. Sustainable financial practice. Ensuring long-term financial sustainability remains a priority. Afterpay should focus on a diversified revenue stream and exploring new business models and that complement its core BNPL service. 6. Focus on data privacy and security. As data privacy concerns grow, Afterpay must continue to prioritize the security of user information. 7. Con- Corporate social responsibility CSR. Impacting CSR initiative can enhance Afterpay brand reputation and contribute to broader societal goals. By adopting this recommendation, after can continue to innovative expand its market pressuring percent and ensure sustainable growth while maintaining its commitment to consumer trust and regulatory compliance.
In this assessment, we as a group, all group members, give equal contribution to the each and every topic. Thanks to the each and every group members. Thank you. Here are the in the last slide we can find some references related to this topic. Thank you very much.